So welcome to Macro Mornings. This is Alan Sharp from Rockpile Solutions again. And I wanted to show you the latest addition to the Rockpile Solutions Modeling Toolbox. It's called Import Boring Logs. It's designed for the takeoff process of TBC and allows you to rapidly bring in boring logged information from a CSV file. So I've just got a CSV file open here on my second screen. So you can see here the format of this is just a borehole number with the northern easting elevation of the existing terrain and also the depth information or elevation information or thickness information for the borehole strata in the hole. If you have strata that disappears, you can map the same depth information here and here, for example, and then it will be zeroed out at that location. And the last instruction down here is the bottom of the borehole, so this is assuming they're all 20 feet in length. So you can hold this spreadsheet open as a CSV file, and then basically you can import the borehole data using the importing boring logs. Now before you do that, you need to have your Takeoff original ground set up. You also need to have your defined strata, so go into Takeoff and make sure you've got your strata list set up. So here you've got original ground, soil, clay, rock. This is what's going to be encountered in the borehole. That's what dictates in the spreadsheet. And then you also need to have your materials set up in the materials library. So under here you're going to pick the earthing category and you're going to specify the different materials here and give them a type and a color. And that's the important information completed. Having done that, you can now just go to the modeling menu, pick the import boring logs command, and this allows you to specify which is your original ground surface. It shows you the strata information that you've got previously set. You can choose which method, whether it be depth, elevation, or thickness that you're using to define the boreholes, and then you can browse for the borehole file. So in this case, I'm using this file right here, this depth full site, and say open. And at that point now, if I open up the 3D view, you can see the boreholes are already displayed. These are displayed from the CSV file. If you now go into the CSV file, let's take a look at this one. This is borehole number, I think that's borehole 8 right there. Let's just open another command just so I can see what borehole number that is. Yeah, it's borehole 8. If I just go back to import boring logs again, and let's just repick that file again. So now if I go into borehole 8 there, if I go find the borehole 8 in the spreadsheet here, let's find that one here. If I go in and change a depth value, if you take a look at what's going to happen on the screen here, if I change the depth to the top of the rock here, let's say change it to 13.6 and hit enter and then save this. And then when I shrink this down, I can hit the refresh button and you'll see instantly that updates. So you can interactively edit the boreholes with the spreadsheet to get the data as you need it and identify problems and mistakes and fix it. And once you've gone through all of the process here and you're happy with all the boreholes, you can assign them to a layer and then say apply. And at that point now it's building me all my corridor, all my earthworks strata for the site. And so now I can now say cancel out of here. And if I do a quick profile through here, for example, just doing a quick profile through the site, here I can actually see now all my strata layer. If I just make it on a black background, it might be easier to see. So here you can see the existing terrain and the different strata layer that you've created, and you can take a look at that anywhere through the model and see what you've done. And at that point now, these are all interactively controlled from the data that's in the boreholes, which is fantastic. It really makes it fast and easy to create the data and take a look at the strata that you're creating. All right, that's the boreholes import boring logs command. It's brand new this week. Thank you.